Fundamental unit of life. In this chapter, we will learn about cell theory, part of cell, and osmosis. Cell. It is the structural and functional unit of life, or it is a basic unit of life. It was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Shape of cell. The cell is found in different shapes or sizes. That is spherical, triangular, hexagonal, rectangular, square, etc. The smallest cell on Earth is mycoplasma. The largest cell on Earth is ostrich egg. Example of plant cell: parenchyma, parenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Examples of animal cell: blood cell, red blood cell, white blood cell, nerve cell, bone cell, etc. Cell theory. This theory was proposed by two scientists, Schleiden 1838 and Schwann 1839. The main idea of this theory is the cell is the structural and functional unit of life. All new cells arises from the pre-existing cells. Types of cell. Prokaryotic cell. The prokaryotic word is made up with two words. The first word is pro, means primitive, and the second word is karyo, means nucleus. It is smaller in size. The nuclear membrane is absent. Single chromosomes are present. Membrane-bound all organelles are absent. 70s ribosomes are present. For example, all bacteria. Eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic word is made up of two words. The first word is eu, means well, and the second word is karyo, means nucleus. It is larger in size. It contains more than the chromosomes is present. A nuclear membrane is present. 80s ribosomes is present. For example, amoeba, muscle cell, nerve cell. Plant cell. A plant cell is composed of the cell wall, chloroplast, large varieties, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, and nucleus, etc. Animal cell. Its compounds are of the plasma membrane, Golgi body, nucleus, small vesicles, lysosomes, mitochondria, cytoplasm, etc. Parts of cell. Plasma membrane. It is the outermost covering of the cell. It is made up of protein, lipids, and carbohydrates. It allows permitting the entry and exit of some material in and out of the cell. The oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, and other materials exchange from one cell to another cell by the plasma membrane by simple diffusion. Cell wall. The rigid membrane is present outside of the plasma membrane. In plant cells, it is made up of cellulose. It provides structural strength to plants. The cell permits the cell of plants, fungi, and bacteria to withstand very dilute eternal media without bursting. Vacuoles. It is a sac-like structure that is small in animal cells and large in plant cells. In plant cell, vacuoles are full of cell seeds and provide turbidity and rigidity to the cell. Function of vacuoles. It is a storage organ, so it stores food. In amoeba, it takes part in the digestion of food and osmoregulation. Food vacuoles. It takes part in the digestion of food. Contractile vacuoles. It takes part in the osmoregulation, balancing of water and minerals. Nucleus. It is a measure of parts of a cell, found in different shapes and sizes in different cells that contain nuclear membrane, nuclear pore, nucleoplasm, chromosome, or nucleolus. It transfers genetic information from parent to child. It controls all activity of the cell. Cytoplasm. It is fluid present inside the plasma membrane. It contains cell organelles, cell organelle, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosomes, and plastids. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is a large network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets, found in three forms: cisternae, vesicles, and tubules. Type of endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. In this type of endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present on their surface. The function are: it takes part in protein synthesis. It provides to skeleton to the cell. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In this type of reticulum, ribosomes are absent. The functions are: it takes part in the synthesis of lipids. It also takes part in the detoxification of toxic substances in the body. Golgi body. It is a system of membrane-bound useless arranges, approximately parallel to each other in stacks. The functions are: it helps in the packaging of materials. It provides definite direction to molecules in the body. So it is known as the traffic police of cells. It secretes enzymes and hormones. Mitochondria. It is rod shape or particle-like structure. It is composed double membrane. The inner membrane folded, and forms a finger-like structure called cristae. The matron of mitochondria DNA and ribosomes. Function is: the mitochondria produce energy in the form of ATP energy. So it is known as the powerhouse of cells. Ribosomes. It is a single membrane-bound structure. It is found in the form of two subunits. It has two types, 70S and 80S. 70S ribosomes are present in a prokaryotic cell. It is defined into two subunits, 30S and 50S, whereas 80S ribosomes are differentiated into 40S and 60S subunits. And the function is: it takes part in protein synthesis. So it is known as the cellular factory of protein. AMP plus PO4 is ADP. ADP plus PO4 is ATP. And ATP minus PO4 is ADP. Lysosomes. It is a sac-like structure. It contains various digestive enzymes. It takes part digestion of various substances. Any metabolic disturbed it burst and digest a cell. So it is known as a side bag of cells. Plastids. It is a specific cell organelle of a plant cell. It contains some pigment. Types of plastids are chromoplast and leucoplast. Chromoplast. The chromoplast contains xanthophyll, carotenoid, etc. Chromoplast contains chlorophyll pigment. It causes the part of the plant like green. The chlorophyll takes part in photosynthesis. Leucoplast. It is a colorless plastid. In this, pigments is absent. It acts as a storage of different types of food materials. Based on the food material, it is of three types: amyloplast, proteinelast, and alleoplast. Osmosis. The movement of water molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration is called osmosis. It generally takes place in a liquid medium. Semipermembrane is required in osmosis. Endosmosis. In this type of osmosis, when a substance is placed in a hypertonic solution, the solvent molecules move inside the cell, and the cell becomes rigid. For example, selling of resin, and it kept in water. Exosmosis. In this type of osmosis, when a substance is placed in solution, the solvent molecules move out of the cell, and the cell becomes flaccid. For example, shrinking of grapes, when it is kept in hypertonic solution. Plasmolysis. In this process, water exists from the cell. Due to this, the cell becomes sharing. Deplasmolysis. In this process, the water re-enters the plasmolysis cell. From all these things, now we know about fundamental unit of life.